Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix Instagram is not updating in iPhone or iPad after iOS 17. So guys, if you want to update your Instagram on your device and you will be able to update your Instagram, then how can you do this? So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all, what we need to do, you have to just simply open settings and you have to make sure that there is no connected VPN, and also make sure that you are properly connected on internet. And after that, just scroll it below, tap on general, and after that just simply tap on iPhone storage. Wait some seconds and you have to just simply locate the Instagram app, and after that you have to just offload the app, and after that simply reinstall the app and your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.